Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to review the EOS R5C Canon camera. Let's get started. Introducing the game changer for 8K filmmaking, the EOS R5C RF24-70mm F2.8 LIS USM lens kit. This incredible kit includes the SKU 5077C024 camera body and the RF24-70mm F2.8 LIS USM lens packaged with a free gadget bag 300 DG. But what sets this kit apart is its ability to support 8K 60p internal RAW or cinema RAW light recording. Yes, you heard that right, 8K resolution. Plus, it offers HDMI 8K RAW output to compatible recorders, ensuring maximum flexibility when it comes to capturing your footage. And with 8K HDR recording, you can achieve stunning visuals with either PQ or HLG. But it doesn't end there. The EOS R5C features an internal cooling fan, allowing for non-stop 8K 60p recording. This is a game changer for those demanding long shoots. And for professionals, there is an expanded interface, providing all the connections you need to fulfill your creative vision. The ergonomic EOS design carries on, ensuring comfort and ease of use. With 13 assignable buttons, you have full control over your camera settings and functions, right at your fingertips. One flip of the switch, and the EOS R5C transforms from a world-class stills camera to a fully-fledged cinema camera. Perfect for switching between photography and cinematography. Fits comfortably in your hand. Perfect for agile cruise or for use as a B-cam, the EOS R5C's internal cooling fan enables virtually limitless shooting in high-definition 8K 60p video. Its compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design makes handheld shooting a breeze, whether shooting video or still images. Cutting-edge technology for cutting-edge content. Get high-precision focusing, even in scenes full of high-paced action, with Canon's dual-pixel autofocus and 4K 120p slow and fast motion recording mode. When you are ready to shoot that scene in VR, the EOS R5C mirrorless camera is an excellent camera pairing with Canon's RF5.2mm F2.8 L dual fisheye lens to achieve stereoscopic 3D 180 degrees VR video. Canon's 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS imaging sensor is at the heart of the EOS R5C camera's superb image quality, which also leads the way for impressive 8K 60p RAW cinematic video shooting. Supports 8K 60p internal RAW recording. The 8K sensor and DJI processor produce high-quality video at up to 8K 60p. Use of the cinema RAW light format with its high-efficiency mode enables internal card recording without an external recorder. Cinematic look to your footage right out of the box, with little to no processing or color grading, helping to save time in post-production. Firmware 1.0.4.1 also includes improvements to clear scan shutter mode to help reduce or virtually eliminate the flickering caused by some LED walls. This mirrorless camera features a cooling fan built into the body, forcing out the heat from inside. This enables continuous and virtually limitless shooting of high-definition 8K 60p video without interruption too. As soon as the EOS R5C's main switch is moved to the video position, the familiar Cinema EOS menu system and interface take over. Expected high-level video features such as waveform monitors, video codec options, and extensive audio control become available, greatly expanding the EOS R5C's video potential for the experienced camera operator or video content creator. During photo operation, menus are nearly the same as on the EOS R5 camera. The EOS R5C camera's body design is incredibly compact and lightweight. When paired with a Canon RF lens, or EF lens using the mount adapter EOS R, it offers outstanding performance that fits easily and comfortably in your hand, making handheld shooting a breeze whether shooting video or still images. Its electronic viewfinder is optically extended for eye-level viewing similar to the conventional EOS R5 camera, and it uses the same ergonomic grip design. Focus and speed are paramount in the EOS R5C camera, providing impressive still image continuous shooting at speeds of up to 20 frames per second, and with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 capability to track split-second movements of even the most elusive subjects. With 1053 automatic AF zones, it is easy to photograph people with the use of eye, face, and head detection AF, or intuitively track the whole body, face or eye of cats, dogs, or birds with animal detection AF. For those with the need for speed, Canon has also included still image vehicle subject detection to assist with accurate tracking of cars and motorcycles. Connectivity like 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is also included for the transfer of still images. Under the hood, the EOS R5C boasts an 8K sensor and DJI processor. This powerful combination enables 4K and 2K oversampling, resulting in exceptional image quality. No wonder it's approved for use on Netflix productions. Expanded interface for professional needs. The EOS R5C camera provides a timecode input-output terminal for easy synchronization when shooting with multiple cameras and other interfaces. A cable protector is also included as standard to prevent cable disconnection or damage to the terminal if strong force is applied when connecting interface or HDMI cables. So, whether you are a professional filmmaker or an aspiring one, the EOS R5C RF24-70mm F2.8 LIS USM lens kit is a must-have tool for pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Get ready to capture breathtaking moments in stunning 8K resolution. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Please write in the comment box. I will come back with another video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.